Hi, I'm Robyn Mussler from Connected 360, and I just launched my first event with Lyman Montgomery, and I cannot tell you, this guy is a total rock star. And if you want somebody to come and be a part of your event, encourage the participants and just really hit it out of the park, Lyman Montgomery is your man. He will just grab their attention and keep them just wanting more and more and more. And even more than that, can I tell you, it's not just his speaking ability, but it is the man who he is from his heart and what he has done to support me in my whole journey. And it is just so immeasurable, and I look forward to doing many more events with him. And I just encourage you that everybody needs Lyman Montgomery in their life. So call him to be a speaker for your event so he can have as much influence, because the world really needs Lyman's influence. Love you, Lyman.
Amen to what she said, and I'm gonna add, the children today, the youth out here today, they looked at him and they had those eyes of wanting more. They wanted more from Lyman. He opened their hearts, he opened their minds, he reached deep inside of them, and he gave them what all youth needs. He gave them his love, his attention, and he set a journey for them to reach their goals, reach their dreams, and never give up. Hire this man, you'll not regret it.
Absolutely.
Take care.